7th, and we are going to see my sister at UF. We're having like a little family weekend in Gainesville. We're going to be doing pictures, hanging out, and yeah, just having a really, okay, we're in the car and we almost missed the exit. But anyways, so follow along to see all the fun things that we do this weekend. And yeah, I'm so excited to be back. It's probably been at least a year or two since I've been back at UF.
Her birthday.
So for my sister's birthday. Oh yeah, so I was here about a year ago then.
It was a year ago.
Yeah, a year ago for my sister's birthday. So yeah, keep watching to see what we do. We just got to Gainesville. Izzy's nowhere to be seen, and they're already playing video games. And my parents are gonna pick us up and we're gonna go to an Indian restaurant. So I'm very excited to eat some naan and butter chicken. So cute! Okay, so let's update the vlog. Alright, so we got to the Indian restaurant. Izzy in the cutest outfit as we just showed you. With the shoes.
With the new kicks, the Crocs, bubblegum.
So, and with the kilt really brings it all together.
I'm glad you think so. I mean, every part of the outfit is unique. It's like, if one part was missing, the fit wouldn't be.
Putting that together.
Me.
Yes.
Fashion icon that is.
Really?
She really is. So now we're at the Indian restaurant.
They're in my trunk. I came in.
Alright, any updates you want to tell the vlog?
So, the schedule for tomorrow, 6 a.m. pictures, 8 a.m. mountain biking, noon dancing, till 6 p.m. And then the bars and clubs. Jam-packed weekend.
So, the rest of us, what are we doing?
So 10 a.m. wake up.
Okay, so we went to 2 stores to try to find a Monopoly deal. We did not find it, but it's okay. So now we're back hanging out at Izzy's place. Ooh, she get a little tour so we remember what your place looks like.
Oh, it's a
All right.
mess now.
Alright, give us a tour.
Alright, so this is our kitchen. We have all of our groceries up there. We have our washer and dryer here. And we hide our laundry detergent under this. That was a crafty little idea. This is Kavan and I's bucket list of date ideas. I hang my helmet up there by the door. All of our shoes are here. This is our living room. This is our dehumidifier that fills up literally every 2 days.
Wow.
This is our little pantry. There's a light up there.
Oh, cute.
And then we keep all of our food here. This is our lamp, our uncomfortable couches, our TV, and then this is our bedroom, and then
It's a mess right now.
this is our closet, and then this is our sink.
Wow. I like the demonstration. Thank you.
And then this is our bathroom.
You wanted to tell someone something, but you're putting it on Twitter in hopes that they see it. Or you're putting it on social media in hopes that they see it.
What's the category?
Black Twitter. Alright, needs.
I don't know who needs to hear
Here's
this, bro.
We did Izzy's nails for the pictures tomorrow. She just wanted a clear coat. Super cute. The boys were playing some Naruto game. And yeah, we are gonna go to bed soon because it is 11:30 and we're getting up at 6:30 to get ready to do pictures. So see y'all tomorrow. Good morning. It's the next day. It's Sunday, and we just did our makeup for the pictures later. And Izzy's making everybody some breakfast. Some omelette. An omelet. I asked for scrambled eggs, but it's okay.
Omelets are better, objectively.
So yeah, we're gonna have some breakfast and then go out and get some nice pictures, and hopefully the sun comes out. It's a little bit gloomy, but we'll see. Hopefully we get lucky. Say hi, Charles. Izzy just made us like a full course breakfast. We got
No facts though.
an omelet, hash browns. She even has jelly.
And orange juice.
And orange. That's yours. I don't want.
You don't want orange juice?
No, you have it. Wow. So impressed.
Enjoy. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Alright, I'm taking over now because Perla left her camera. Say hi.
Yeah. Thanks, baby. Mom. All right. I thought she was about to roll right off. Okay. So we are here in the swamp. We have our grad, Izzy. And we've been taking pictures all over campus. We started in, where did we start? Hevner?
Yep.
The School of Business.
Plaza of the Americas, Murphy Hall, and now we're at the stadium.
Yes, of course, iconic. So we're going to some cute little photo ops, but yeah, it's been great. It's in the 60s. There's not a lot of people on campus.
Curly's been doing a great job.
Of course. That's all I do.
I don't know about that. But our family came. We just did some family portraits.
Yes, and our parents are gonna go bike the Hawthorne Trail now. And yeah, so
we're gonna go dance bachata.
yes, instead of 5 hours, we negotiated it down to 3.
2.5.
2.5.
3.
2.5.
I'll take 3.
So, anywho, all right, bye. Alright, so it's a little bit later. We had lunch at Ale House, and then Izzy took us somewhere where they did some like salsa and bachata dancing, and now we're at this really cool vineyard. I didn't even know this existed in Gainesville. And we're gonna do like a wine tasting, and I think we get a bottle of wine. So yeah, so we're gonna do that now. It's so cute. Yeah, it's like in the middle of nowhere.
If you come during the summer, this whole thing is all blueberries, and you can pick them yourself.
Oh.
But she'll tell you that grapes and blueberries don't work the same.
Okay.
Like blueberries, you can pick off the vine and they'll still ripen. But grapes, if you pick them too early, they'll stay hard the whole time.
Oh, I
so
see.
the lady's Audrey in there. She's a good friend of mine. She'll remember me. She works a spot. She's a beast, bro.
Oh, so now you know, if you ever come to Bluefield Estate Winery, look for Audrey, and she'll give you the whole rundown.
Gotta come between May and August
Okay.
if you want to see the blueberries.
Okay, cool. Good to know. Thanks.
So we have dry and semi-sweet right now on the front side, and then everything on the back side. So both of the blueberries don't have any grapes in there, just made with blueberries.
Okay. Green apple.
And I made a spread of snackies. We got Chips Ahoy, hummus and peppers, nerd gummies, sun chips, wine, and then we went through all of the pictures that Pearly took, and we added our favorite ones to the Dropbox. Look at the size of this pizza, bruh!
Yeah. That works.
Okay, I'll do a before and after video, so I think we'll demolish all that. Bye!
Is that? Oh, yeah. See, it's word.
pizza. Oh, I didn't take an after video of the pizza.
Yes, we ate the pizza. There was like 8 slices left, so we almost ate the whole thing. And then, okay. And then we watched the Lions play the 76ers.
76?
That's the basketball.
The 49ers.
It's past her bedtime.
It's
a whopping 11:30.
11:24. Wow. 14,500 steps.
And then we played card games.
We played card games, my parents left, and then Izzy convinced me to go out, so we played some pool. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it.
It was a very fun weekend. I'm really glad that everyone could come and make this place feel like home.
Aw, how sweet. Well, I think that's gonna be it for our Gainesville vlog. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And yeah, until the next weekend adventure.
And maybe we'll include some of the grad pics that Perla took in the vlog.
We'll
Sneak
see.
peek.
Maybe. Alright, bye! You already recording?
Yeah.
Oh, you are?
Hey, I want one of you two.
Yeah.
All
She
right.
doesn't look like a rat. Yeah.
Okay.
Did you shake those pits, Izzy?
I did.
But we're less likely to get kicked out if we stand here.
Or right here in the middle. Do it in the middle.
You're less likely to get kicked out if you hurry up, though.
If I'm gonna be in the picture, it best be done right.
You'll be flex with the camera. Flex with, oh, yo, get into it, get into it. What? She's slow, she's slow.
Oh shit, that looks so cool.
Wait, where's that? Oh.
Cause I don't. Bye, UF.
Whip your legs to the right, like really quick.
We just finished doing about 15 miles on the Hawthorne Trail.
Oh, yeah.
I'm feeling proud. I'm feeling a proud, happy mama.
I know, wow. They grow up so fast.
They do.
What's your favorite memory of Izzy when she was little?
Oh my God. Her being such a chubby, little, chunky, happy baby.
Now she a lean, green, adventure-taking
Perla
machine.
used to make so much fun of her because she was so chunky.
Did you call her Dora?
She used to call her Dora, fat.
Charles would have added.
I just repeating what I heard.
And now
Little
they're
cutscene.
beautiful young women.